Okay, this is the Split Personality by Jason Lake. Chord spacing. Between 1 and 2 is A. Between 2 and 3 is B. Between 3 and 4 is C. A, B, and C. Okay, for this knot, to make it easier, we're going to be altering the chords. So basically, on the right side, the black one is going to be my primary chord. On the left side, it's going to be the tan and black. The reason I call it the primary chord, it's because it's the one that starts the knot. So let's begin with the right chord. We're going to go underneath the core, out through A, and above the chord on the right. Just like that. We're going to grab our secondary chord on the right. We're going to go down A, underneath all the chords, and out through the loop on the right. So it should look something like that. Now to make it easier, I figured out how to pull it. So you're going to grab your secondary chord, and you're going to grab your primary coming out through A on the lower side of the chord. So you're going to pull, and you're going to tighten it up pretty good. Okay, now we pull the primary chord, and that's our first knot. We're going to grab the primary on the left. We're going to go under the core and out through C and above the loop on the left. I'm going to grab the secondary chord. We're going to go over, down through A, under the chords, and out through the loop on the left, like this. So let's pull. Okay. Now remember, we're going to grab the secondary chord. We're going to grab the primary on the lower side of the loop, and we're going to pull. Fairly tight. Push up. Okay, then we pull our primary to get the slack out. Okay, let's grab our primary on the right. We're going to go underneath the core, out through A, and above the chord on the right. Going to grab our secondary. We're going to go down through C, underneath the chords, and out through the loop on the right. And remember, it has to go underneath this chord, underneath itself. Okay, so let's pull it. Once again, we're going to grab the secondary chord. We're going to grab the primary on the lower side of the loop and pull. Got it nice and tight. Now we pull the slack off the primary, and make sure you tighten up pretty good. Okay, let's do one more. Gonna grab our primary on the left. We're gonna go under the core and out through C. We're gonna go above the chord on the left, and now we grab our secondary. We're going to go down through A, under the chords, and out through the loop on the left. And remember, it's going to be underneath itself. And we start pulling. And once again, we grab our secondary cord, grab our primary on the bottom side of the loop, and we pull. Tighten it up pretty good. Pull the slack from the primary. And push. Let's do one more. Grab our primary on the right, go under the core, and out through A. Then we go over the cord and the loop on the right. Okay, we grab our secondary cord, we go down through C, under the cords, and out through the loop on the right. Okay, we hold on to our secondary cord, grab our primary, and we pull. Get our knot nice and tight. Push up. Then we pull and tighten this up pretty good. Our primary. Okay, that's it. Go all the way down to the end of the bracelet, and I'll see you guys when it's finished.